Heyo! Today I'm going to show you guys how to remove and replace the coils and spark plugs on the Mercury Verado. I've already removed the upper and rear cowling. You're going to start with the bolts on the coils. Just takes a number 8 socket. The next step is the electrical connector. You're going to pinch the end of the connector right here and pull. And then the coil just slides right out. Remove your spark plug. Clean or replace. And then torque it to spec. Reinsert the coil, reinsert the electrical connector and give it a little tug, make sure it's snapped in. Reinsert the bolt. And then tighten to torque spec. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you in the next video.